Our mission here is to restore native habitats for future generations. We've planted 15,000 trees in this forest here along Pohakuokala Gulch since 2002. When we first started this project, we had one native tree. There's a lot of impact that the tourism industry has upon the landscape, both good and bad, and we're trying to make the most out of these resources that are here. Partnerships with groups like the Fairmount Keilani is very essential to what we're doing here. This project would not exist if it wasn't for collaborative partnerships across the board.
After 30 years of operation and so many millions of visitors that have come and stayed with us, this is an opportunity for us to thank the land. It's our kuleana, our responsibility to make sure that we're taking care of the land that has taken such good care of us. And one of the opportunities that we want to put out for everyone is to join us in what we call Rooted in Aloha. And it's a campaign that allows the visitors that come to Maui to contribute to the efforts that are underway here. It's a $30 donation, and it allows us to raise from seedling to planting in the ground like we're doing here today, an opportunity for the visitors to help also give back to Maui and to the environment so that they, generation after generation, can come back and enjoy the splendor that Maui has to offer.